Alright guys, I'm starting to, I'm going to replace the battery here in my Ford Escape. And the darn battery is way up under here, so you have to take a few items out of the car in order to get there. I'll tell you, it doesn't look like an easy job, but I'm going to do it anyway because I put a battery in, but it's the wrong battery, it doesn't fit. And I have bought the right size battery to go in the car. So it's one of those jobs you just got to do, whether you want to do it or not. So here I am doing it. And the first screws that have to come out are the air cleaner. This is the air cleaner housing. And according to the instructions that I have checked out, if I remove the air cleaner housing, I will be able to replace the battery, get the battery out. So it's a process, and we're going to go through it together because it just sounds like a heck of a lot of fun. Depends on what you call fun. Anything that keeps me busy. I'll be 83, I don't know, in about 2 more weeks. And I like being active, and I like being busy. And I like my car running right because my plan is to get out there and have a good adventure. So evidently there's a hidden screw here somewhere, and I see it way down there. So I'm going to have to put on an extension, I guess, to get way down there. But luckily, I do own tools, and I do like working with tools. So I'm at it. All right, the next thing you got to do is remove this reservoir, which is in the way, and of course, why make it simple? It's a T. Come on, Mr. Ratchet, what's the matter with you? Yep, you got more than one, that's for sure. Get this reservoir out of the way. Is held on by this grommet, that grommet, and that grommet. They go into little holes here, which make it almost impossible to pull out. But I got it out. Thank God for that. Now the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, there's the damn battery hiding in there. And hopefully will not give us too big a problem. Now I'm going to disconnect the ground from the battery. Alright, there we go. We got the right one now. we're doing pretty good. It's coming out. There it is. Always clean your terminals with a wire brush, both on the battery and the cable, to get the best possible connection. That's important. That is very important to do. And of course, keep everything clean. Then put your negative terminal back on, making sure that there's room to plug in your sensor, or the computer will think the battery isn't connected. Okay, getting these last couple of screws to hold the battery in place has been quite a little stinker-rinker, but it's in. Going to tighten it down, then we can put the front half back in here. Hopefully, it goes in without any trouble. Well, okay, battery seems to be in. We're now going to put the air cleaner in at the top rather than down there at the bottom. Now, there are just this, and that. Plug in a rubber hole here. So this shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't be. But so far, everything has been a problem. And we go back on there. There's nothing about this thing that's easy. Well, what is going on here? Reinstalling the reservoir here. All right, we got the reservoir on, we got the battery in and everything. Let's put the battery cover on. battery cover's on. And let's make sure it starts. Who knows? When you disconnect the battery, your computer, everything goes dead. There's no power in the car. So the computer has to reset and put in all the necessary timing things for the car to run properly. So let's hope that happens. Otherwise, we'll have to do some programming of our own, but I believe it'll come back. Stay. Well, it appears it stopped.